Yangtze River Delta, an important international gateway in the Asia-Pacific region. A global advanced equipment manufacturing base. And an area firstly leading among world-class city. Jiangsu Pengfei Group, an international large-scale cement equipment general contractor, is located in the Nantong city, closing to river and facing the sea. Here it has a convenient traffic with seamless transportation of highway, railway and waterway, forming one-hour economic circle among Shanghai, Nanjing and Suzhou. Million tons of ships distribute the goods to places all over the world through two international ports, Shanghai Port and Nantong Port. With its unique geographical advantage and manufacturing capacity, it has become the largest cement equipment manufacturing export base in the coastal area and production base for equipment of China's large-scale metallurgy, mining, chemical, electric power, and environmental protection. Now Pengfei Group covers an area of 1,200 hectares with 350,000 square meters of construction areas. It has 36 large-scale assembly workshops and 1,800 employees with total assets of renminbi 1.5 billion Chinese yuan and annual turnover of renminbi 3 billion yuan. Pengfei Group consists of 5 subsidiaries of mechanical, electronic, casting, installation companies, and so forth, with machinery and equipment manufacturing capacity above 300,000 tons. Since 2007, Pengfei Group has executed Go Ahead with the Big and Convert the Small, planned 700 mu to be Pengfei Development New Areas. It has newly built up over 200,000 square meters workshops for heavy-duty equipment, and it has equipped with more than 200 sets of processing equipment for large-scale machinery. It has realized leapfrogging development with enterprise growth of 2 times for 2 years on average, production growth of 14 times, enterprise scale of 20 times, and sales revenue of 30 times. Pengfei people are bright and brave, filled with boundless pride. For 60 years, Pengfei people has achieved the group brand and Pengfei spirits. Pengfei Group, adhering to the business idea of looking great, benefiting the world, win-win tomorrow with customers. Written arduous explorations in arduous and recorded victories flying in vigorous new process. Pengfei Group leadership has cooperated with absolute sincerity, advanced with the times, bravely standing in the forefront and leading Pengfei to fly high.
Today, output of kiln and mill of Jiangsu Pengfei Group comes first in China, and the sites come first in Jiangsu province.
Its main products have included all different kinds of new type dry process cement production line, equipment under 10,000 tons per day, large scale of rotary kiln, ball mill, roller press, vertical mill and preheating, crushing, dust collecting, air separating, lifting, conveying, and other complete set of equipment, of which main equipments are all self-developed and completely export. Pengfei Group has established Industry Institute and Graduate Workstation with Institute of Chinese Academy of Engineering, Shanghai Jiaotong University, Nanjing University of Technology, Anhui University of Science and Technology, and Yancheng Institute of Technology, walked out of a road of technology innovation. In the Pengfei's Research and Development Building of 13,400 square meters, about 500 engineers and technicians, the industrial kiln and furnace developed by us has widely been used in sintering of laterite nickel ore, lime, city life garbage disposal, compound fertilizer, and etc. High efficiency and super fineness grinding mill has been used in non-ferrous metal processing, glass ceramics, ultrafine grinding, and other fields. New energy-saving grinding system combined with pre-grinding vertical mill and traditional ball mill developed us has won the first energy-saving grinding production line demonstrating project in Jiangsu province, gradually realizing the traditional industrial transformation and upgrading. Successively, our 6 main products have won the National Key New Products. 28 products with domestic leading level have passed the technical appraisals of ministry and province,
obtained national patent for over 80 projects.
And more than 20 products have won products of national and provincial fine quality, world technology, international standard, made in Pengfei, quality for the world. This is a consistent quality goal for Pengfei people. Throughout many years, Pengfei has successfully cooperated with Policius, Kawasaki, Fives, Pfeiffer, KHD Humboldt, and other large international well-known companies, studying its quality control method to make the company product quality reaching European standard. Pengfei Group has participated in drafting the national standards for cement industry tube mill, cement industrial rotary kiln, building materials machinery casting steel, and cement packaging technology conditions, cement industry roller press, conditioning tower, and other more than 10 standards for building materials industry. Horizontal dry slip rotary furnace technology and equipment developed by our group has filled the domestic blank. We have successively undertaken of National 863 Plan Project, of National Torch Plan Project, other national projects, and major projects of science and technology in Jiangsu Province. Our company has been awarded as a leading company of Chinese cement machinery industry, national large-scale industrial enterprise, national important high-tech enterprise, top 20 of Chinese building material machinery industry, keep honest to contracting credit of national class. Meanwhile, main product is approved to be Chinese top brand. Pengfei trademark has been approved as Chinese famous trademark. CCTV, OTV, China Building Materials News, China Building Materials, China Cement, Xinhua Daily, www.ccement.com, etc. Over 50 media have ever focused on Pengfei. Pengfei Group has formed distinctive sector and economy, adhered to independent innovation during the process of becoming stronger and larger, so it appears good momentum in both domestic and foreign market. Our company has the ability of undertaking EP and EPC project, supplying good complete set of service to the customers. Our products have been exported to Germany, Russia, Brazil, Egypt, Iran, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Turkey, Kuwait, Myanmar, Vietnam, Colombia, Bolivia, South Africa, and more than 60 countries and areas. In Pakistan, we manufactured and supplied main equipment for 4 sets of 3,000 ton per day cement production lines for PLD, PLC, PLF, which has been successfully ignited and put into operation in 80 days. In Myanmar, we have supplied 09 sets cement rotary kiln production lines for Thayet, 3A, King Elephant, Tiger Head, Dragon Cement Plant, and so forth. All have gained unanimously positive from both domestic and foreign experts. 2,500 ton per day cement production line for Russia-Volga Cement Plant, 4 sets of main equipment for 6,000 ton per day cement production line for Taiwan Cement in Guangdong, Yingde, complete set of equipment for large-scale cement production line in Rwanda, Algeria, Azerbaijan, Mongolia, and so forth, has formed the sample of over 1,000 project achievements. Mr. Qiao Longde, chairman of China Building Materials Federation, has written the words, "Pengfei goes first for innovations and improvements," after visiting Pengfei. Mr. David Kelly from Germany, after visiting Pengfei, he has praised good quality, excellent after-sales service, quick speed in putting into operation, and good of use.
President of Burma, Feinstein,
and Mr. Ilham Aliyev, President of Azerbaijan, have made the personal visits to sites of the overseas projects undertaken by Peng Fei. Both of them have highly praised Peng Fei, which has created unique reputation for promotion in the overseas market.
Mr. Wang Jian, President and Chairman of Jiangsu Peng Fei Group, representative man for 30 years of reform and opening of national building material industry, model labor of Jiangsu Province, excellent intellectuals, cultivating talents of Jiangsu Province 333 projects, good businessman of Jiangsu Province, annual 3 famous men of Nantong City, NPC member of Nantong, and hero of scientific development of Nantong.
彭飞60年是彭飞人海水与智慧的智慧，是百年彭飞负重前沿的竞争。继往开来，我们将致力于强调中国水泥企业在国际舞台上的制高点，在新常态下把握新机遇，发展新模式，再创新的辉煌。
60 years like a song. 60 years journey with winds and rains. 60 years with great waves. 60 years glorious revolution. Peng Fei people have drawn a beautiful blueprint, building one centennial corporation, creating first class in the world. Step in a new journey along with Peng Fei Road, based on the discipline and persistence accumulated during the 60 years.